Renee Starms here, and today I just want to talk to you about the challenges of working from home. Of course, I love being an entrepreneur, and the whole idea of being your own boss is so glamorized. But I must tell you, if you do not have discipline or you don't have a plan for what you're going to do every day, wow, it could really be a problem. So what I'd like to tell you to do, at least stick with three basic things. Make sure you have a schedule that you go by and you know exactly what you're going to do, and set aside a certain block of time where you know exactly that, okay, from 10 to 2, I am going to be working. I will be on the phones, I will be doing follow-ups, or doing things that are going to produce income for your business. That's very important to do. And you also want to track your results. Be consistent in your activities, stick with them, and then go back and review and see how things went. Like keep a calendar, know that, all right, from 10 to 2, I'm going to make phone calls, and then make sure you write that down and jot down your results for a good month. Then go back and review what has actually happened. And that way you can make sure that you're moving your business forward no matter what. But just remember, discipline is key for working at home. And if you want any other information about how to make success in an online business or being a home business owner, go ahead and click that link below, because I have some free resources and lots of tips to help move you forward. Okay, thanks for listening. Bye-bye.